Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will teach you that which softwares you need to write program in Python and how to download these program. First you have to open the browser and search for Python, simple Python, and click here for download Python. After clicking there you will find this page, and then from here you can download the Python. This is, you actually need three software to write a program in Visual Studio Code. So first of all you have to download Python. From here to you can download the latest version of Python. After downloading the Python you have to search for git bash and click here, and you will come to this page, and here you have to click on Windows, or directly you can click here as well. And after downloading this git bash you have to write Visual Studio Code, and then click here or click here. Then after clicking here you will find this page. So then after you can choose those. This is flexible, you can down anyone for Windows 7, 8 and 10. After downloading Visual Studio Code you just have to open the Visual Studio Code, then you will find this thing, this, then go here and then search for Python. Then search for Python. After searching Python you have to here you will find install. I already installed the Python. Then you have to just install this extension, so Python will connect to Visual Studio Code. And after that you have to go to the website and right here. Okay guys, then now you have to integrate git bash with Python. Just search for this integration of git bash with Python. Then after that you have to click on this, you have to open this link. Then after this you will come here, then here, then go down and this, then copy this URL or a line of code or address. This is actually address. Then copy it. First you have to change here the theme. Go here, color theme, light. After changing the theme color you have to go to settings, then settings, and then click here. Here you have to paste that link inside the curly brackets. Then after pasting this, press Ctrl S. You will find that the theme color will change again to back, and after clicking it you will find this bash written over here. This means that your git bash is now integrated with your Python. Now you can write code, create a new file like print first save it like python.py. then you will find it colorful, that I am writing whatever it is written in colorful. It's mean that it is a Python file. Like print anything here, hello world, Control S, and then for debugging you will find result or output here, like yeah, here you will find hello world written. Okay guys, thank you. Please subscribe our page for more information. Bye bye.